let's get started. I'm making him as a host. Okay, so before that, let me start with his introduction. This is a very different introduction this time. Aditya has already just joined us. Let's watch this. You are going to be finding this. This is his website, and I'm going to play something, and you will love this. Life is incomplete. Can you hear it? Without desire. What is the thing, my friend, you want to acquire? No matter the time is tough. No matter the wind is hard. Your friend is always there with you. Aspire. Life goes on and on and on. Life goes on. Life goes on.
Coach, the sound is not coming. It's coming and going.
You can recreate the lost empires. Feel the wind inside.
Now it's going.
Life goes on and on and on. Life goes
It is coming and going, coach.
Life goes on and on and on.
Sir, sound is not coming.
Yeah, coach.
It's not coming, is it? Because I'm playing it directly from the site. So I was thinking that it'll come, but then I think we will find a way if we can play that later. That was he himself singing. And let me just introduce him a little bit and we get started. About Adesh Soniji, he doesn't teach, he communicates. He doesn't dictate, he relates. He doesn't order, he appeals. He doesn't confuse, he solves. And most importantly, he is not a teacher, he is a friend. Welcome Adesh Soniji to Superb Talks. Our founder of MSD07 was never fond of reading and studying anything as a below average student in his academies. He began his career as an office boy, and today he is incredibly successful businessman, business owner, a dancer, singer. You will come to know. It's one of the most interesting speakers you've ever had. His journey from an office boy to renowned life coach is full of twists, turns, tragedy, incidents, and accidents. Yeah, this twist turned him as a filler for him in a way of learning his life. He believes the worst time is the best teacher, and he teaches the foremost lesson of life: what not to do. Amazing, no? What not to do. If we learn that stuff, imagine the kind of mistakes that we can avoid. At a very early age, he experienced traveling to maximum hells of life, because of which, at his early age, he is now able to understand relationship and suggest solution to all age group, including young champion leaders like you, youngsters, married couples, as well as elderly age group. He always says, I neither read a book or nor watch any videos to study. I study life. Over to Adesh Soniji, and I am gonna make, yes, Adesh Soniji, over to you. And
Yes.
I've made them the admin, and you can mute everybody and get started. Yes.
So first of all, thank you very much, Sachin ji, for the awesome opportunity and the fabulous introduction. I can say this is one of the best intro I have ever got. So dear friends, very good evening, namaskar, सत श्री अकाल, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आप है मेरे साथ. Hi. बोले तो क्या है, अभी इन्होंने जैसा बताया, I am not your teacher, believe me. I am not your teacher, but I'm your friend. दोस्तों मैं यहाँ आपको कुछ सिखाऊंगा नहीं. I'm not going to teach you anything. I'm going to tell you so many things. And the execution is going to be on you only. But before starting, let me just, few things I want to, because, yes. Now is it fine? Sorry, a bad throat. So dear friends, मैं आपका दोस्त आदेश सोनी. जैसा कि आपको सचिन जी ने बताया कि आई हैव स्टडीड लाइफ. मैंने लोगों की लाइफ को पढ़ा है बेटा. लोग मुझसे अक्सर पूछते हैं कि आप क्या पढ़ते हैं, कौन सी बुक, कौन सी कॉपी, कौन से वीडियोस फॉलो करते हैं. तो फ्रेंड्स, आई से ओनली वन थिंग कि आई स्टडी लाइफ. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, देयर वाज अ पिक्चर in my website. Can anyone tell whose picture was that in the chat box? There was another picture with me. Who was that? Can anyone tell in the chat box who was that person? Yes, Tanisha, unmute and say beta. Okay. Yes, champion Anjali said. Yes, yes, beta. Now you can mute. So, dear friends, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. But, my dear friends, and one more thing I want to tell you. Look, I have a permanent tattoo, MSD07. He is my inspiration. He is my coach. He is my Lord. And he is the guide for me. दोस्तों आपको पता है मेरी लाइफ में जब भी कोई टफ टाइम आता है whenever I face any difficult situation मैं अपनी आंखें बंद करके सोचता हूं अगर मेरी जगह MS धोनी होते तो क्या करते मुझे मेरा जवाब चुटकी में मिल जाता है I don't only follow him I don't only follow him in in books in tattoos but I follow him in real life and friends let me tell you like he left his established job कितने लोगों ने MSD देखी है मूवी टाइप मी इन द चैट बॉक्स देखिए आप लोगों ने तो फ्रेंड्स आपको ये जरूर याद होगा कि MS धोनी सर ने अपनी एस्टेब्लिश्ड जॉब को अपने पैशन क्रिकेट के लिए छोड़ दिया था सो डियर फ्रेंड्स जैसा कि मैंने कहा मैं सिर्फ फॉलो नहीं कर रहा हूं सिर्फ टैटू तक नहीं और सिर्फ फोटोग्राफ तक नहीं मैं अपनी लाइफ में उन्हें फॉलो कर रहा हूं I was a very popular businessman over here. I was an event organizer. I had a second business also, anti-aging clinic. Sorry, someone said something? Yes. दोस्तों जिस प्रकार उन्होंने अपने एस्टेब्लिश जॉब को छोड़ दिया ठीक उसी प्रकार मैंने अपने बिजनेसेस को छोड़ दिया और मैंने अपने पैशन को चुना और मेरा पैशन है ट्रेनिंग So, dear friends, as this session is of stories, let me tell you, someone is saying something, I guess. Yeah, okay, okay. So, friends, this is a real story of my life. दोस्तों ये तब की बात है जब मैं अराउंड 15 years का था 15 साल का एंड मेरी मॉम को सीरियस प्रॉब्लम थी उनको रात को नींद नहीं आती थी एंड 0.5 mg 0.25 mg 0.50 1 mg 2 mg 5 mg तक की टैबलेट्स वो लेने लग गई एंड 15 साल की एज होती ही कितनी है थोड़ी बहुत मैच्योरिटी थी मुझ में मैंने क्या किया फ्रेंड्स एक आइडिया आया दिमाग में और मैंने उसे एग्जीक्यूट किया टचवुड मेरी मॉम को इंग्लिश पढ़ने नहीं आती थी व्हाट आई डिड वाज मैंने उनकी स्लीपिंग पिल्स को विटामिन की टैबलेट से रिप्लेस कर दिया लिसन केयरफुली जो ठीक उसी प्रकार दिखती थी उतनी ही छोटी सी नन्ही सी मुन्नी सी और बीच में वैसी ही लाइन थी मैंने उसको रिप्लेस कर दिया एंड मैंने मॉम को नींद की दवाई बोलकर दे दिया फ्रेंड्स कैन यू बिलीव माय मॉम स्लेप्ट आफ्टर टेकिंग दैट विटामिन टैबलेट मैंने उनको 6 महीने बाद बताया कि मम्मी आप नींद की दवाई नहीं आप विटामिन की गोली खाकर सो रहे हो एंड माय मॉम वाज लाइक पागल है क्या हाँ. मैं बोला मम्मी बिलीव मी आप नींद की गोली नहीं खा रहे हो मैंने पापा को बताया पापा वाज लाइक रियली सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स दिस इज अ वेरी स्मॉल स्टोरी द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सीक्वल ऑफ द स्टोरी दैट इज सो डियर फ्रेंड्स क्या मैं आपसे जान सकता हूं यहां पर कि ये स्टोरी मैंने क्यों सुनाई और इस स्टोरी में क्या मॉरल था if you want to give answer type me in the chat box क्योंकि I want to get interacted with you right type me in the chat box then unmute and then say मैंने yes champion Shan please unmute
Yes.
yes Shan what was the moral of that story
I actually joined now.
okay you can mute okay so dear friends just before some time just before yes Janvi
Coach, we have to do cheating because for that only we are doing that cheating. It might can you tell in Hindi?
yes
हमें मजबूरी से चीटिंग करना पड़ता है उनके भलाई के लिए
Okay. Great. Okay. I've got answer. Now, my dear friends, just before some time, what happened? I was talking to Anjali. Friends, live example I'm giving. Live example. Anjali introduced her brother, and she said कि ये थोड़ा introvert है. अंजलि, what I said, मैंने आपको क्या बोला, एक बार unmute करके बताएंगे?
सर आपने ये बोला कि मुझे उसको ऐसे डिमोरलाइज नहीं करना चाहिए, और अगर हम पॉजिटिव सोचेंगे तो पॉजिटिव बन भी जाएगा.
राइट, राइट. सो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको एक और स्टोरी बता रहा हूँ, इमेजिनरी. एक बार मैं अंजलि के घर गया. अंजलि रहती है गुड़गांव के पास, तो मेरा जाना हुआ. मैं अंजलि के घर गया तो मैंने देखा कि अंजल वहां पर खेल रहे हैं. मैंने बोला हाय अंजल. वो मेरे को ऐसे देखे. बोला हाय अंजल, कम हियर बेटा. वो मेरे को ऐसे देखे. मैं बोला अंजल प्लीज इधर आओ बेटा, हम लोग खेलेंगे साथ में, मुझे बच्चे बहुत प्यारे लगते हैं. उतने में अंजलि ने कहा कि सर वो आपके पास नहीं आएगा. क्या है वो? शर्मीला है. अब दोस्तों क्या हुआ, मैं सेकंड टाइम गया और मैंने पता कर लिया कि अंजल को क्या पसंद है. मैं अंजल को लिए चॉकलेट लेके गया, बड़ी वाली डेयरी मिल्क सिल्क, और मैं अंजल को दिखाया, अंजल इधर आओ. अंजल एक बार चॉकलेट को देखे, मेरे को देखे, चॉकलेट को देखे, मेरे को देखे. बेटा प्लीज कम हियर. उनकी मम्मा बोलती नहीं नहीं सर, शर्मिला आपके पास नहीं आएगा. फ्रेंड्स, तीसरी बार गया तो मैं अपनी कार जस्ट सामने रखा, बोला अंजल चलो घूम के आएंगे. कार को देखे, मेरे को देखे, कार को देखे, मेरे को देखे, नहीं आए फाइनली. फ्रेंड्स, जब मैं चौथी बार वहां पहुंचा ना, तो अंजल मुझे देखकर चुपचाप अंदर चले गए, क्योंकि उनको यकीन हो गया कि वो शर्मीले हैं. उन्होंने पहले अपनी सिस्टर से सुना, फिर अपने मदर से सुना, फिर अपने फादर से सुना, और सुनते 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 अंजल शर्मीले बन गए. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आवर ब्रेन इज अंडर अस. हमारा ब्रेन हमारी कमांड में है. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई रिक्वेस्ट, राइट डाउन द मॉरल. Our belief can make everything possible as well as impossible. बेटा ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ बिलीफ की बात है. अगर यही आप पॉजिटिवली बोलते कि नहीं, अरे यार ये तो होनहार है, ये सबसे बात कर लेता है, he does everything, he is super fine, he is awesome. फ्रेंड्स, वो सुन सुनकर awesome हो जाएगा. तो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, मैं अब आपसे कुछ सवालों के साथ बात करना चाहूंगा, और मैं चैट बॉक्स में आप सभी का पार्टिसिपेशन चाहूंगा.
Aditji,
Yes.
Aditji,
Yes, yes.
it's wonderful. Sorry, I hate to interrupt. Can you please make this in English, please? We have, and many will be watching this later as part of recording and all that.
Okay, okay.
Today exams are going on actually. That's the reason why
Okay,
many could
okay.
not join. So if you
Okay.
can make it, Abhinav just texted that he wants it in
Okay.
English. It's really loving. We are enjoying this. How many of you guys are
Okay.
enjoying this? Yes, all of them are enjoying this. We are loving it. We are loving it. Everybody
Okay, okay.
Comedy story. It's like this.
Yes, please continue.
Yes.
I'm very sorry to interrupt.
Yes. Yes. So, my dear friends, let's move ahead. Now, I want to ask a question from you. Look, friends, there are 3 steps of improvement. The first is accepting the mistake, right? Second, accepting in front of people. And the third is improvement, right? If we don't know our flaws, we won't be able to change it. So, I want to ask you a very, very, important question, and I will expect that all of you are going to be true to yourself. How many of you feel that I get angry soon? Type me in the chat box. I get angry soon. How many of you feel this? Beta, your parents are also sitting with you. Huh? Don't lie. I can catch it. Okay. Anjali, I really appreciate your sincerity, my dear. Abhinav, I get angry. Okay. All are accepting. So, my dear friends, do you really feel that getting angry is a solution of a trouble? Now, dear friends, I'm telling you one more incident of my life. Friends, I was an event organizer, right? It was an incident of 2013. I used to come late at night to my home. And once my father welcomed me in an awesome way. When I entered, yes, what's the time? I said, Papa, it's 11:30. So is this the time to reach home? I said, Papa, I am an event organizer. I have to work till late night. No, this is not right. He comes soon. He comes soon. You are the only one who comes late every night. And friends, I got angry. I got angry like anything. And I just shown my anger by not taking meals at night. And I slept without meals. And early morning, I wake up with a fresh mind like, okay, things happened, no problem. I was just about to take breakfast after getting ready, and my father said that, do you remember what I said? I was like, this is something I really hate. I went so much angry. I just came out without taking breakfast and I started my car. I was driving at a high speed and I bashed a cycle. I bashed a cycle and I got scratch in my car. That broke my heart. And I was like so much angry. I came out of the car. Don't you know how to ride cycle? He's like, you don't know how to drive car. You learn first. I'm like, you will talk to me in this way. He said, will you talk to me in this way? Friends, this is real story. And we had some kind of fight over there. And then I moved to my institute. Generally, what happens at that time, whenever I reached there, I used to press horn and guard used to come, right? I kept that speaker in my car. I was a dance trainer also. I used to teach contemporary, hip hop, salsa, jazz, all dance forms at that time, right? So I was pressing horn. It did not come. I just lifted up the speaker and I went towards the lift. Then guard came. Good morning, sir. I said, what good morning? I'm pressing horn since a long time and you're not coming. He was shocked, like, what happened with this guy today? Anyway, that happened. Then I went to my office. I sat on my cabin and then I checked. I gave some tasks to my team, like this is needed to be done. They did five. They did three tasks out of five, and I shouted them like anything. Are you getting money for free? Is this the way to work? Are you coming here for time pass? They are also shocked, like, what happened with this guy? Is he behaving nicely? No. Then I went to the class. I asked from my students, how many of you have done your homework? Out of 15, three said we did not do. I scolded them like anything, my dear friends, like anything. And in the evening, what is my condition? I'm sitting like this. I'm unable to recall why am I angry? Because my father scolded me, because I got bashed with a cycle, means I met with an accident, or the guard did not open my door, or my team did not perform the work, or my students could not complete the home task. Dear friends, I just missed those things like anything. And that made me so much hyper, so much hyper. Now, dear friends, how many of you think that generally it happens with you? When your mom scolds you, you feel angry, you keep it inside. Then you talk to your friend, you talk to your friend in a different way. No, I don't want to talk. Navya is accepting that. How many of you merge things? One with second, second with third, third with fourth, right? So, my dear friends, what was my loss? Now I'm telling you, in one day, what I have lost. The first loss is that cycle one. That cycle guy was telling to people, this guy, this car one. Yesterday I smashed him. Oh, okay. I got to know this later that he smashed me. Okay. But he could say because I had a fight with him, right? Second, when I went to the institute on the next day, the guard did not open my door and just ignored me. Second loss. When I entered my office, my dear friends, I got resignation from one of my very, very important manager. And the fourth loss is I missed three students in my batch. That was a straight away loss for me. So, my dear friends, now a genuine question, a very, very simple question from all of you. If you are accepting that, yes, I am an irritating person, sorry for this word, but yes, if you are an irritating person, it means you get irritated very soon. I have lost 4 things in one particular day. Now, this is the time to ask question from yourself. How many relations, how many things, how many respects, how many, you know, things we lose regularly just by being an irritating person, isn't it? So, my dear friends, the moral of this real story of my life is, dear friends, please note it down. I can control any level of anger within 10 seconds. My dear friends, I can control any level of anger within 10 seconds. So, dear friends, this is something. Whenever we take action, I went to jail also to teach, those people who are in jail right now because of crime. What I have realized in my life is they have done crime in anger only. No one is a bad person there. No one is a bad person there actually, but they are suffering only because of their anger. So, my dear friends, I want to ask you one thing. Do you want to be changed or you want to be the same? Do you want to be
I want to be changed.
okay? Okay, that's great. How many of you type me in the chat box? Now, dear friends, one request whenever you have any query or any answer to give, just type in the chat box, right? You all want to change. So, my dear friends, the change begins here because today is the next day. Can you note it down? Today is the next day. What does it mean? Friends, tomorrow never comes. Today is the next day. Whenever we think, I'll do it from tomorrow, I'll do it from. Why tomorrow? Why tomorrow? I want to ask. Why not now, my dear friends? Isn't it? Now, dear friends, I'm taking you to story number 3. How many of you love cartoons? Huh? So here I want to show you a beautiful video. I request all of you to please stay focused on the screen, and Ankita, share the screen. I'm going to show you a wonderful video that will give a lesson. And then, my dear friends, I'm going to relate my life with it and will tell you the reality, what happened with me. Play the video. So, friends, how was the video? Chatbox.
Very nice.
Did I
Very
use
nice.
chatbox? Yes.
Yeah.
Friends, now I'm telling you something that actually that is quite unbelievable. If you will relate with this, then you will understand that what happened with me. Friends, this is something which happened with me in the year 2017. It was 11th October. I still remember the date. Dear friends, I was depressed in my life. The person who is sitting in front of you, who was depressed, there was only one thought in my mind: how to kill myself. I was in a suicidal mood. And literally, I was driving my car in a very, very high speed, around 130 to 140. You know, friends, I was driving like a mad, but I saw something on the road, something, some small stuff. I just, I just applied brake and the car was like, stop. And when I opened the gate and came out, I saw a very small kitten, a very small kitten of few days. She was doing meow, meow, very, very slow voice. And I was like, from where she came? And I was puzzled, like, how to help her actually. I searched in the jungle. I searched in the next road, nearby places. It was a highway. I could not find any way. But just 7 kilometers away, there was my cousin's home. I called him that I'm coming with a baby. I'm coming with a kitten. I need to settle her down somewhere. I went to his home. And friends, there also I could not settle her. And then I was compelled to come back to my city to help that kitten. Then I posted a request to Facebook that please someone adopt this kitten, and someone adopted. Friends, now, what do you feel? I saved that kitten? I saved that kitten? No, that kitten saved me. That kitten saved me, my dear friends. I'm very much known for animals. I'm mad for them. I love cats, I love dogs, I love cows, I love monkeys, I love every animal. And all know me that if I saw any animal injured on the way, I will immediately look for the treatment. If no matter how deep the injury is, I will make sure that firstly, I will take care of the treatment, then I will go for meeting. So, my dear friends, I feeded lot of animals in my life. And God sent angel to me. That small kitten saved me. I had not saved her. So, dear friends, the moral of this story, now relate this with this story. Friends, did that puppy know that he is going to get the help back? Yes or no? Was he aware that if I will give something to this duck or bird, will I be getting something? Was he aware? No. He held selflessly. And in return, he got something he had not expected. Friends, this is 100% real story of my life. From then till now, my dear friends, my love for animals are increasing, 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 and increasing. Now, what's the moral? What is the thing? I will request you to please write it down. Please write it down. The moral number 3: help someone, help someone even after knowing that, help someone even after knowing that it, he, or she cannot help me back. It, he, or she cannot help me back. You will be held by the power. The power. My dear friends, believe me, if you help someone in need, please, can you mute yourself? Janvi, can you mute yourself, beta?
Yeah,
Yeah.
can you repeat again?
Yes, I'm repeating. Help someone, help someone selflessly, even after knowing, even after knowing that he, she, or it cannot help me back. He, she, or it cannot help me back. You will be held by the power, the power. Friends, this is the reality of life, isn't it? Whatever you sow, the same seeds you grow, right? Whatever you are doing, Beta, right now, if you are doing something good, that good will come back to you. If you are doing something bad, the bad will come to you. Believe me. If you are thinking that I'm in a room, no one is watching me, I can do whatever I want to. No, ये wrong number hai. This is a wrong number. You are getting observed by the power. सबसे बड़ा सीसीटीवी कैमरा ऊपर लगा है. The biggest CCTV camera is upstairs and you are getting observed 24/7. Right. So, friends, now, my dear friends, how many of you love to dance? Type me in the chat box. Yes, ऊपर वाला सब देख रहा है. Exactly, Aradhya. How many of you love to dance? Law of karma. Exactly, exactly. Hmm? Okay, okay, okay. Wow, wow. Okay, amazing. Friends, let me tell you, I started my career being an office boy, as Sachinji mentioned in my introduction. And then, I became a choreographer. I was a popular, renowned choreographer of Chhattisgarh state. I did choreography not only in Raipur, Chhattisgarh, but in Jaipur, uh, Chandigarh, Puri, Cuttack, Bangalore, Pune, everywhere. Friends, do you want to know how I got into this? Do you want to? There is a story behind. If you say then only, if you will say yes, then only I'm going to share. Or else I won't. I want votings here. Huh? क्या बोलते हैं? Do you want to know? Yes or no? Yes. One, two, only two, three, four, five, six. Okay, okay, okay. 7, 8, 9. OMG. Now I'm interested. Now I'm interested to tell you, dear friends, I studied from a very small school, and that was a school, Raipur Convent Uchchatar Madhyamik Vidyalaya. There, I had not seen any annual function till class 11th. And let me tell you, I was very much poor with English communication, because fluent English was a dream for those kids who were studying with me, and for me as well. Whenever teacher enters in class, what we do? How we wish? Good morning, madam, or teacher, or whatever. And we sit when she says, sit down, all of you. Dear friends, till class 11th, I used to hear that the teacher is saying, sit down, I love you, not sit down, all of you. My English was that poor, that poor. So, friends, you know what happened? I got the first annual function in my school, and there was no one to dance because their competition and dance was like a very, very, very strange thing, you know. And I used to do one thing only, that was Garba. That too, with pressure of my sister, I had to accompany my sister. She used to go for Garba. How many of you know Garba, Dandiya, during Navratra? Do you see that? Right? So I used to go there. And while waiting, I was compelled ki, let's learn. Rather than standing, let's learn Garba. And I started doing Garba. And my teachers were struggling to get even one dancer. No one was ready to dance over there, right? Then she saw me while doing Garba and she requested me, Adesh, you have to dance. And I was like, ma'am, me and dance, nowhere, no connection. She said, Adesh, I saw you doing Garba. बोला ई तो ससुरा हम फंस गया ई तो गड़बड़ हुई गवा. Then, ma'am, but I don't know how to dance. How can I, ma'am? She said, Adesh, you have to dance means you have to. If you will not dance, don't talk to me. Friends, I was like, ab to karna padega. There's no option, right? So I anyhow prepared a dance on Koi Kahe Kehta Rahe from the movie Dil Chahta Hai. Koi Kahe Kehta, you remember? So I just learned dance. Anyhow, I performed like robot sort of. Okay. Anyway, but friends, we say in Hindi, there's one thing, Andho mein kana raja. It means among those people who don't know anything, the guy or the girl knows a bit, that becomes the king, the emperor. The same happened with me. People started praising like, wow, Adesh is a dancer, Adesh. I was like, wow, man, भाई का रोल बढ़ गया इधर, हाँ, अब भाई को चाहिए थोड़ी इज्जत, हाँ. So then, friends, in 12th class, I moved to a different school. There, teacher asked who is going to participate in this Teachers' Day. I got confidence and I said, yes, I'm going to dance. Okay. I I entered to the group. I learned new dance and I performed. I was like, wow, confidence more. Then I went to annual function. Again, I learned a dance. Again, I performed. Now, friends, what happened? I went to college. The twist begins here. Now, there, I had a high confidence and I asked people who are going to dance. Huh? भाई का रोल बढ़ गया. Like people are. Uh, mm, mm. I said, come on, yaar, let's dance. Who is going to teach? I said, I will teach. Confidence. I was doing Punjabi. I did Punjabi dance when I was in 12th, right? So I choreographed the same song there, and it was a blast. There were 5 guys, and I was in the center, the hero. And there I got like, wow, Ade, she's an awesome dancer. And friends, I became popular in college. And that annual function came. People were in queue like, I'm going to dance with Adesh. I'm going to dance with Adesh. And I was afraid what I'm going to teach, I don't know. They were expecting me to be the teacher. But in any way, while watching TV, I learned few steps. There was another song, Jhalak Dikhla Ja, Ek Baar Aja Aja Himesh Reshamia, right? You might have heard the song. So I learned in that particular song. And I choreographed that. And dear friends, believe me, I was unaware, I was not aware when I became dancer from a non-dancer. I did not realize when I became a good dancer from a dancer, a choreographer, a popular choreographer, on-demand choreographer, and the super choreographer of Chhattisgarh. My dear friends, how was the beginning? How was the beginning? Friends, that was a little participation. Just imagine if my teacher would not have compelled me to participate, would I have become the great dancer? No. So, dear friends, the moral is here. Friends, what we do, we say one thing, we say only one thing. I'm lacking confidence. How many of you feel that I'm lacking confidence? Type me in the chat box. Come on, come on. Type me in the chat box. Me, Abhinav. Okay, okay. So, dear friends, confidence is nothing. Confidence is inside you. So, friends, the moral of this story is please note it down. Please note it down. I'm going to wind up within last 7 minutes. Okay, okay. The moral is please note it down. The moral: no one will be able to see our talent. No one will be able to see our talent if we won't perform. If we won't perform, a bathroom singer cannot become an Indian idol. Please note it down. A bathroom singer cannot become an Indian idol. Friends, most of us feel like, should I raise hand or not? Should I raise hand or not? Should I? Why? Why? Yes. So, friends, no one will be able to see your talent until you perform. And remember, dear friends, your talent is needed to be exposed. And if you feel you are lacking confidence, dear friends, you are losing. You are losing the opportunities. You are losing your life. And my dear friends, the last thing, I want to request the parents also, all those who are near, to please listen to this real incident of my life very carefully, because this is going to be an important learning for parents also. Friends, in the year 2012, when I was taking English classes, I was an English trainer in the year 2012. I used to give tasks to students like introduce yourself, and people used to introduce them with their strength, their achievement, their target, and everything. Then one gorgeous girl came, Akriti Agrawal. She introduced herself and she said, "My strength is designing. I'm very creative. My strength is designing, and I'm very creative." And she said in her target that I want to become a chartered accountant. मैं बोला आए ये तो ससुरा हम कंफ्यूज आ गया मतलब I thought inside like what a combination. She has her strength as a designer and she's pursuing chartered accountant. I was like, no, कुछ तो लोचा है बॉस रॉन्ग नंबर है कोई फिरकी ले रहा है you know what I did? I called her to my cabin and I just had a talk to Akriti like, Akriti, you are like I'm quite confused with your introduction. You are saying that this is your strength but you are going to do something different. You know what she replied? She said, sir, my father wants that I have to become a CA. Well, huh? Is it so? Okay, then I asked the question, Akriti, tell me, what do you feel? What do you feel? How much percentage are there? How much probability or possibilities are there that you will become a successful chartered accountant? She thought, hesitated, shied, and then she said, sir, mm, less than 50%. I said, okay, that's interesting. Then I tried to convince her, my dear, this time you are not at all justifying your talent. You are deceiving three people in this world. The first person you are
Hello.
deceiving is yourself. Yes, the first person you are deceiving is yourself, right? If you are going to be a CA in any way, please can you mute yourself, beta? Yes.
Yes.
If, please mute yourself. Navya,
Yes.
can you please mute yourself, beta? Mute your mic. Yes. If you will become a CA also, you won't be happy. The second person you are deceiving is your father. Your father will never be happy, isn't it? You know it inside that you will not be able to become a chartered accountant. Then why are you doing this? And the third, you are you are insulting God. You are deceiving God, not by doing those things what you are made for. You are good with designing that has been given by God. So, my dear kids and my dear parents, please listen very carefully. Dear parents, especially, do not trust your dreams on your son, on your daughter. They are not you, please. I had a talk to her father as well. I tried to convince him and I convinced him finally, and now she is a very good fashion designer. I convinced him ki sir, please, please think about it. It is your desire. उनका कहना था, I wanted to become a CA. Now I want to make my daughter a CA. Is it right, my dear friends? Yes or no in the chat box. The father wanted to become a chartered accountant. That's why he trusted his dreams on his daughter. Was it right? No. So, dear friends and dear parents, your kids are different. They might be falling in studies, they might be getting failed in studies, but believe me, they have something precious, they have something very important with them. You need to find out those points. And dear kids, I will request to you also, if you feel that you are getting frustrated for something, please do not debate, do not fight, but please place your request, put your request very humbly, that daddy, please let me do this. I'm actually not happy with this. And how many of you have seen Three Idiots? Three Idiots? We ne dekhi hai. The movie is national anthem for us, isn't it? We see for 10, 15, 20, 50 times. Yes or no? Yes, I can see that. So, in that movie, what Farhan says, Papa, kam kamaunga, khush rahunga. But मैं आपको blame तो नहीं करूंगा. No matter I will earn less, but I'm not going to blame you for this, isn't it? So, dear friends, whatever you are doing right now, please make sure that it is your core strength. This is something which is you, not trusted by your parents, not by society, neither trusted by your friends, nor by the trends. Neither trusted by your friends, nor by the trends, but by yourself. So, my dear friends, the time is not allowing me to speak more. And here I want to show you the last video. The last video, what I will request is, dear parents, if you will also watch this video, this is going to tell you something very important. Please watch very carefully. Ankita, play the video. This is going to be the last video. Then I'll be concluding the session and I will be calling the super duper master, Dr. Sachin, back on the game. Yes, play the video. So, friends, this was a self explanatory video. It's not necessary that parents are always correct. It's not necessary, but it is also not good that you are going to debate with them, right? So, dear friends, this thing is needed. Friends, the moral behind this story is, whenever you notice that your mom or dad is somewhere going wrong, or you can teach something which can be of value for them. Beta, wait for the timing, wait for the right timing, and then do not hesitate to suggest them to Papa, Daddy, this is wrong. Mama, if you will do it in that way, that will suit more, no, isn't it? So, dear parents, a request to you also, that your kids are your best friends. You have to do only one thing. You have to forget that particular dialogue. हमारे समय में तो ऐसा होता था. In our time, we used to do like this. हमारा समय वापस नहीं आएगा, believe me. Right? You cannot compare that generation and this generation. what you need to do is you need to balance. And the last example I want to give is, dear friends, there was a revolution in market when mobile came to us. That was a Nokia phone which brought revolution, isn't it? And that Nokia phone, where is it now? Is it in the market? No. वो तो ससुरा गायब हुई गवा. So dear friends, why? Nokia did not accept the Android. That's why it went out of the trend. So friends, dear parents, the kids are Android and you are Nokia. Believe me, what you are supposed to do, accept them as they are with little changes, right? And you need to get a good balance. And dear kids, for you are Nokia, and the changes, the positivity is Android. If you are not going to adopt those upgradations in you, you are going to be like Nokia, the lost one. So, friends, here I rest my speech, I rest my stories, and I will welcome again Dr. Sachin.
Can we give our speaker a big round of applause? Our clap, what we give, our Zoom clap. Thank you so much. Wonderful learnings and amazing learning. Everybody put claps, claps. Put claps, claps in the chat. Claps, claps.
This
It
is
was
amazing.
wonderful, mesmerizing, so nice. So beautiful, a very, very different kind one. Thank you so much. Claps, claps. Nice. Thank you so much, Adesh Soniji, for taking time. I was glued. I was just listening. So nice, wonderful lessons there, beautiful. Now it's time for champions. Champions. Now, leaders, you have any questions? Adesh Soni is still with us. You have any questions, any doubts that you want to ask, anything regarding any part of his life? Go ahead. Isn't it? Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Yes, he has achieved it. Businessman, choreographer, and a singer. Live life to his fullest. What I love about him is he live lives to the fullest. Every single moment,
Uh,
whenever I've spoken to him, whatever time I spent
Sachinji,
with him,
Sachinji, I want to correct one thing. Yes, that voice was mine, but the singer was different. That
is
was
it?
not me. Yeah, yeah. So just wanted to correct that. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So
Yeah.
lives his life to the fullest every single moment, wherever I've managed to interact with him. He lives life as if it's 1000%, isn't it? And I said, that is one big learning I've had from him. So go ahead. You have any questions? Raise your hand, and one by one, wonderful lessons also. Thank you so much. Yes. I love that one lesson which I would like to say is that all of us have a talent and nobody will know as long as you are in the bathroom. Okay. Let people know. And we are all talented people. It's very, very important. It is our duty that we let the world know what we can do. And I guess it is his sister who pushed him in Garba. And from there, and his teacher, and he managed to do become one of the best choreographers in entire Chhattisgarh. And there are a lot of videos of his I will send. He loves dancing, and I've seen his dances are wonderful. Yes. So go ahead, guys, coaches, champions, leaders. Any questions, any doubts, shoot.
I'm ready to get shooted, my dear friends. And one more thing I would like to add here. Friends, I always say I'm a secret diary. Whenever you feel like there is something which is puzzling you and you cannot share it with anyone, believe me, friends, I'm that secret diary which is not going to be opened in front of anyone. And I can manage your strings to get connected to the right area. And I can tell you what string you need to cut. Yes. So waiting for your questions, my dear friends. And yes, okay. Yeah, friends, you can stay connected with me. And this is what my contact area is. Yes, Ankita, you can minimize. Yes,
I will
friends.
also send everybody, though I've said everybody, please, he conducts regular programs on several programs. He has about 6 or 7 of his program from students, from children to entrepreneurs, to business people, from English language to life skills, and many of them. So go ahead, guys.
I think
Questions.
Coach Aradhya is raising hand.
Aradhya, go on, unmute and start asking Meenalji. Yeah.
So, thank you for sharing such lovely lessons from your life. And this was really interesting to know that you have tried so many diverse fields. So, what kept you motivating, to try so many things, to change so many professions and all, and yet you are so successful and happy in your life? So, what is your success mantra or happiness mantra, if you can share with everyone?
Okay. Now, very nice question. Here, I want to say that, I always loved to do something for society. My target is not at all earning money. You will not hear from this anyone. I have allergy with money. Seriously, I do have. What I want is my satisfaction is I got to realize before 2 years, I was doing business. I was earning sufficient money in my life. I had a turnover of 2.5 CR. Aradhya. Aradhya's mom, what's your name, ma'am?
I'm Meenal. And by the way, I'm also a chartered accountant. So you
Wow.
said the story.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So Meenalji, while doing business, I got to realize that I'm not moving towards the right direction. That is not the direction I lived for. And while doing so many things in my life, what I realized that all things were needed into my life. I will say something in Hindi. हर एक अनुभव काम का है. अगर पानी गंदा है तो क्या हुआ? पीने के नहीं तो आग बुझाने के काम आएगा. So Meenal ji, what I can say is, whatever experience I have got in my life, I got this indication from God that everything is useful for me, each and everything. And everyone has different targets. If you want to reach to 500 CR, 10 CR, or any particular amount, but my target is very, very, very small. I want to impact 5 lakh lives till I'm alive. It hardly matters that I earn or not. I earn less or more, but surely I want to impact 5 lakh lives. So that's the answer from my end, Meenal ji.
That's wonderful. You want to grow as well as you want to contribute for the growth of society. That's really what we all should do, right? It's really amazing to know that. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for the wonderful question. Any more queries? Yeah. Yes, I
Anybody
can see
else
both
has
hands.
any questions for our wonderful speaker? Go on, raise your hands. And actually, usually we got a lot of people who are having exams now. First term exams have started for everybody.
Okay.
So many called me, many sent messages. Even after registration, they said, Coach, we could not attend. So recording is going to be very popular, this one. And exam right now, one or two students are writing exam right now. That's the reason why. Yeah. Anybody else? Bhargav, you have a question? Navya, Pranav, Abhinav, you guys have any question? Sayesh is from Mumbai. Dhruvi joined us a little late. Anjali, you have any questions for another Sony? So I guess we should call it an evening then. It was a wonderful, wonderful. I'll share everybody Adesh Soniji's site. Anyway, you guys know that, and his number. Obviously, the recording will be available. So leaders, coaches, champions. Now the task is that you've heard it. You have some notes. So please write down what are the values that we can rise, isn't it? See, that's what Adeshji said. He mainly teaches what not to do. Isn't it? Imagine if we have to learn from every single mistake in our life to learn and grow, one lifetime will not be enough, isn't it? That is something which I learned from Kautilya, Chanakya. He said that If we have to learn from all our mistakes, then one lifetime is not going to be enough. So might as well learn from leaders, follow the leaders, learn from them, and don't do it. As simple, and accelerate, move, and swiftly reach your goals. Thank you. That was wonderful. In his introduction also it is that he tells what not to do. Isn't it? Very simple. Fabulous. And I love the part for his love of animals. And my daughter is definitely will be a very big fan. She has an exam herself, so she could not join today. But then, thank you so much. Anybody? Pranav has raised his hand. Pranav has a question. Pranav, go on.
Yes, coach. Actually, how did you overcome the failures you had in your life?
How did I overcome the pain?
Yes.
Okay, so Pranav, very interesting question. You know, Pranav, when I made this tattoo, it was in the year 2017 only. I was crying like anything. I was very much, facing a lot of difficulties in my personal life, professional life, all around because of no mistake, I can say. Because I was a person from starting who helped everyone around, to strangers even. Then when I made this tattoo, Pranav, MS Dhoni gave me strength. Believe me, I can strongly say that he is the one who taught me selfless, how to be selfless and how to keep patience. And while making this tattoo, I was just imagining that give me strength. And when I recalled his life, his struggles, his pains, he lost his girlfriend, whom he loved a lot, Priyanka, if you have seen in the story. So, friends, Pranav, I related my life like, yeah, he also lost so many things in his life. Still, he can be happy, then why can't I be? And then I got so many indications from God that yes, you need to overcome and you need to help others also. Started from that small kitten, there are so many stories ahead. After that, I met with different people in pain who were struggling. During telling them that how to come away, how to come out of that stress, I got to learn about my life. And friends, here I will say, Pranav, whenever you want to execute something in your life, teach that thing to someone. Teaching is the best way of learning. And when I started guiding people that how to come out of your stress, how to come out from your troubles, that helped me also for coming ahead from my pain. So that's my answer.
Thank you. Thank you very much for that answer.
Yes. So one point I want to say to all of you, beta, we all are coaches, we all are teachers, and I can see like champion, coach. Friends, always follow one concept. Each one, teach one. Each one, teach one. Help someone around you, your mate's son, your mate's daughter, anyone who is in need around you, to your friend. Whenever you are teaching something to someone, it is getting feeded inside you. And you are also learning more than that person. Because if we teach something, subconsciously our mind works like, no, I taught this thing to someone, then how can I do this mistake? Isn't it? So teaching is the best way of learning. Yes. Any more queries, my dear friends? Yes. So I think all are crystal clear.
Anyone else? Should we call it a day? Thank you so much, champions, leaders, coaches. Make sure that please, these guys, many of them are already coaches. They coach others, they teach each others, they take this opportunity, they do a wonderful. Dhruvi, Abhinav, Aradhya, Bhavi is there. They're wonderful. They help Tanisha. Tanisha came as one of the best coaches in the last program. They take this wonderful opportunity. They call up people. Janvi does a wonderful job. It's an amazing. They follow that concept. They don't do teach one each one. Each one teach five. This is what they do. They would
Wow.
do wonderful. They call up people, they speak to them. Now that we are under COVID, so through online, whatever best they can do, they're doing wonderful, wonderful job. So thank you so much and happy evening to everybody. Please write down at least 10 values. How many values? 10 values. Yeah, 10 values. Write them down. More colors. How many colors will you use? 4 or more. Yes. Thank you so much, guys. 4 or more. Write down. And the recording should be available by tomorrow. And we will post it to you guys also and post for our other friends whom we have missed because of the exams which are going on. Thank you so much, Adeji. Heartfelt gratitude from our entire
Thank you,
family.
friends. Yes, and Sachinji, as I always end up my session with the same line, it is always same since beginning. So, dear friends, ये line मेरी कभी नहीं बदली. It never changed, and it will never change. This helps me out with, while keeping the down to earth nature, and that nature is my recognition. So the lines are, अभी तो सिर्फ जागे हैं, असली मंजिल आगे है. Good night, all of you.
Thank you so much.